Hello again. Look, this is a recipe for lemonade. Recipe for lemonade. Okay, let's see. Here are the ingredients. 1 liter of water, 5 spoons of sugar, and 4 lemons. This is the recipe. Here we have the ingredients: 1 liter of water, 5 spoons of sugar, and 4 lemons. Okay, I'm going to make half the recipe. Voy a usar la mitad de los ingredientes, okay? Here is the water. Yes? The water. Now the sugar is here. The water, the sugar, and now the lemons. I'm going to get 2 lemons. Here they are. 2 lemons, okay? Here they are. Let's put them away from here. And we're going to see the steps. Los pasos. Okay? Preparación. Number 1. Número 1. Pour the sugar into the water. The sugar, el azúcar, into the water. Dentro del agua. Okay? So here's the water. I'm going to put 2 spoons. 2 spoons. 2 para que no quede tan dulce. Okay? Let's put 2 spoons. 1, 2. Okay. It says, pour the sugar into the water and mix. Mix es mezclar. Okay, so let's mix. Okay, we have to dissolve it. Se tiene que disolver. I think it's ready. Yo creo que está lista. Okay. Okay. And now, let's put the sugar apart here. Now it says, squeeze lemon juice into the water and mix. Squeeze, exprimir lemon juice, jugo de limón, into the water, and mix, y revolver, okay? I have a knife. This is a knife. I have the lemons or limes. I'm going to cut them. Cut 1, 2. Smells good, huele rico. Okay, this is a squeezer, un exprimidor. Okay, now let's bring the water here. Now the lime we're going to squeeze. Okay, we have another half. Otra mitad, another half. Okay, 1. Va uno, 1. And now the other one. Okay. And the last one, last half, última mitad. Okay. And mix. Okay, I think this must be ready. Yo creo que está listo. And now here I have a glass and I'm going to pour it. Listen, escucha, ¿eh? Now I'm going to taste it. Delicious. Now you know how to make lemonade. Ya sabes hacer limonada, agua de limón. Bye, see you.